My name is Christian Uffer, and today I'm going to show you how to generate the JSON file that's used as input to the Canopy cover and Greenness indice apps on CyVerse. It is possible to manually generate this file, but it's much easier to use the app. The Find Files JSON CyVerse app searches folders for files with a specific name and then generates the desired JSON file. This makes it easy to generate the JSON file needed by subsequent plot level analyses. After logging into the CyVerse discovery environment, click the Apps tile to open the app window. Next, search for the Find Files to JSON app. You may want to favorite this app so that it's easier to find next time. Select the vertical ellipses and then click Add to Favorites. Click on the app name to launch the window that allows us to enter parameters. Make a note of the select output folder value. This is where the output of the analysis will be placed. Next, select the folder and file name bar. Browse to the folder you want to search. Change the search file name if yours is different than what is displayed. Finally, click Launch Analysis to start the analysis. Select the Analysis tile to see you running analysis. You may need to click the Refresh button. As your analysis status changes, you will receive notifications in the upper right corner of the page. Once the analysis status is completed, the analysis is done and the output is available. Once your analysis is completed, click on the Data tile and browse to the folder that you noted earlier. Your analysis folder will be named after your analysis. Here you can see the JSON file that was generated.